Exhale, chin chest के पास. Inhale in the center. Exhale, turn your head slowly to the right shoulder. Breathe in. Inhale. Breathe. Inhale in the center. Exhale to the left. Go slow. Breathe. Inhale. Breathe. Inhale, head in the center. Now slowly rotate your neck clockwise 5 times, counterclockwise 5 times. Niche exhale. Inhale up. Go slow. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Mouth closed. Breathe from your nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Opposite side. Slowly start. Inhale. Ears to the shoulder. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, head in the center, slowly, spine straight, head in the center, normal breathing. Now completely inhale and hold your breath for 20 seconds. Inhale. Inhale and head up and hold. Completely inhale in the center. Breathe. Completely exhale and hold. Breathe out for 20. Head down. Chin to the chest. Stomach in. Inhale in the center. Breathe. Now slowly interlock your palm for Tadasana. Interlock your palm. Inhale. Inhale and arms up. Head straight. Knees down. Breathe. Arms straight. Inhale. Breathe. Keep breathing in. Inhale. Stretch. Breathe. Inhale and head up. Breathe. Hold. कमर और सीधी. Breathe. लंबी सांस. Exhale slowly. Bring your hands behind your head. Normal breathing. Exhale and head up. Arch your back. Breathe. Chin up. Inhale. Breathe. Eyes can be closed. Inhale. Exhale and stretch. Inhale. Inhale, head in the center. Exhale and head down. Elbows close. Spine straight. Breathe. Inhale. Breathe. Deep inhale. Inhale, come in the center. Head up. Exhale down. Breathe from your nose. Inhale. Pull lungs on the floor behind. Palms facing towards your hips. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly arch your back and come back. Inhale. Exhale. Open your spine gently. Inhale, arch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and hold back. Keep the spine arched, head back. Start breathing. Inhale. Now gently, if you can, then lift the hips up. Hips up and head back. Breathe. Slowly hip down. Sit straight. Normal breathing. And slowly bring your arms up. गर्दन सीधी, कमर सीधी. Breathe. दोनों हाथ और straight. Breathe. Sit sideways on your mat like me. Come on your knees, Vajrasan. दोनों हाथों को इंटरलॉक करके ऊपर. Stretch. Here, let's breathe again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and head up. Stretch. Exhale and bring your palms on table position. Come on your palm. Come on your palm, come on your knees. Breathe. Gently rotate your hips clockwise. Inhale. सांस के साथ धीरे धीरे. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Opposite side. Breathe. Inhale. Hand down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly in the center, inhale and head up. Arch. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, head up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and head up. Hold it. Breathe. Head over. Slowly bring your right leg up. Right leg up. Breathe. Stomach in. Point your toes. Look forward. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Opposite leg up. Breathe. Inhale. Breathe in. Point your toes. Exhale and down. Breathe. Now slowly bring your knee forward. One leg forward. Slide your knee. Sit on your calf. One leg straight. Head up. Breathe. Inhale. Hold and breathe. Every stretch we have to breathe. Breathe deeply. Exhale धीरे से पीछे. Inhale opposite leg forward. Look up. Breathe. Point your leg behind straight, knee straight. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Slowly knee back. Knee back. Breathe in. Rest here. Breathe and rest. Inhale. Shashankasan. Head down. Rest. Eyes closed and breathe. Slowly come to Vajrasan. Inhale and come up. Sit in Vajrasan. Normal breathing. Breathe. 6 सेकेंड में मिनिमम सांस को लेने की कोशिश करनी है और मुंह लगातार बंद रहेगा. Mouth is continuously closed. Inhale from the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. And breathe in. Keep it behind your back. Move your toes in and out. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Spine straight. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Gently rotate your ankle opposite side. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale.